Hello and welcome to the first Project Engineering Outreach video. Today we'll be building the rubber band racer.
Okay, so inside your kit you should have 4 wheels, 1 car body, 1 hook, 2 axles, 2 blue rubber bands or thick rubber bands, and 1 thin rubber band. So first thing we're going to do is take one of the wheels and take one of the axles, and you're just going to slide it on there. It should just clip into place like that. Then you're going to take one end, and we're going to start with this back piece, which does not have a gap. Slide it through, take another wheel, and clip it like that, just like that. It shouldn't wiggle like this. It should just be pretty flush. It should be able to spin. Next, we're going to take another axle, another wheel, and do exactly what we just did. Clip it, put it through, take another wheel, clip the other end, just like that. No wiggle. Should be able to spin freely. Now you can test out your car. Make sure it rolls nice. Next, we're going to take this hook and we're going to slide it into this little square space here. It might be a tough fit at first, but that's on purpose so that it doesn't fly out when you're using your rubber band car. So what's important to note is that this little nub should be facing outwards, away from the base of the body. And it should be able to spin without hitting the base here. So make sure that's all the way in. Then we're going to take our thick rubber bands and we're going to place them on the wheels where the gap is on the base. The reason we're doing this is so that when the car drives, it has traction on its spinning wheels. Just like that. Lastly, we're going to take our red rubber band and we're going to put it on this hook here on the base. One end on the hook here. Don't know if you can see that. There you go. Just like that. And we're going to take the other end and we're going to put it on here. The rubber band should extend a little bit past, but what you're going to do is just put it there and twist the axle so that it tightens around. So just 2 twists are good. And then you hold down the car here by its wheels, and you can just hold it by your finger and let it go.